And today we will be reviewing the Roborock Q5 robot vacuum. This vacuum comes with an application, so it is very technologically advanced. You can use the application to save up to 4 maps in your home. The sensors are pretty incredible. You can see it senses things around it immediately. It moves. It stays very well on its lines. And has incredible suction. It's actually got pretty powerful suction. They market to be able to have it clean up pet hair, which is just incredible for me. I have 2 dogs. I will say that was one of the features that got me. I wanted a self-clean vacuum. And having 2 dogs, there's definitely hair that gets into the carpet, and this vacuum cleans it up so well, which I've been so appreciative of. I know it comes with an application, which I think is awesome, and you can do some customizable programming things with it. I've never used it. I've never felt a need to. I honestly just go to the dock and turn it on, and it just starts cleaning. And then if I need to move it to a different room because of stairs, I will move it and then just turn on, and it keeps going, and it's great. I will say it really, if you can see the carpet, it really vacuums on a straight line, and probably vacuums better than I ever would because it's patient. It goes in a straight line, and it moves slower than I do, which is just it's just incredible vacuum. I'm really pleased with it. This is the first time I've ever gotten a robot vacuum, and I'm so happy that I did. I don't know that I will ever go back. I'm sure there will be times I'll have to vacuum myself at some point, but right now I don't feel any need to because I love this thing. One thing I would say to think about with this that is something to think about is how small the dock is, or that the dustbin. Oops. It's not huge, so you do have to empty it quite a bit, but that would be my only thing. And again, I think it's hard to find one of these with a larger dustbin, so I think that this is an incredible buy, and I'd highly recommend it. So I hope this review helps. Thanks, guys.